All right, salamun alaikum, guys. I hope all of you are doing well. Today we have a new topic, as you know from the title. I am going to teach you ethically how to perform phishing on social media accounts like targeting Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Google, Microsoft, Netflix, Twitter X, GitHub, and so many other things. So let me log in as a root. You need a Kali or any Linux machine. Um, yep. And then you just basically need to go to Google and search for Zphisher. Let me pull it out. Zphisher, GitHub. So yeah, Zphisher, this one, just visit it. And after visiting it, as you can clearly see, we have so many things inside it. Well, we have another one as well as this. I think this is the same one. Let me confirm one more time. The title is github.com forward slash htr hyphen tech hyphen Zphisher. Yeah, this is the same thing. So the thing is, we need to install it. In order to install it, what we need to do, let's copy the code, copy it from here. And after copying it, we just need to create a directory. So I'll rather go to the tool section, and here I will create a directory. Let me name it Zphisher, Zphisher, and let's go inside this. And after that, we just need to type git clone and paste the target URL. I mean the HTTPS code to clone that particular directory, which is available, repository which is available on GitHub. Let's hit enter. And after that, you can also do it on Docker and other things, but okay, let's do it here, no problem. By the way, it is workable on a termex as well. So you just need to type pkg space install space tur hyphen repo, and then you just need to install pkg space install Zphisher, and it will start working for you. Okay, so after that, it is already done. Let's go inside the directory, and we have a file here, as you can see, which is a bash file. So it already have an executable permission. There so far there is no need to give it another time chmod plus x. Let's directly run it, as it is bash, so written in bash. So you just need to type bash Zphisher hyphen sh, hit enter. As you can see, it required some of the Cloudflare. No, why it required Cloudflare? Because we need to create a link that will work over the internet. Okay, we do not want to run this tool locally, as they will be useless for us. We want to send the link to the victim, so the victim will click on the link, and then he or she will provide their credentials. Remember, this is only for educational purpose. If you are misusing it, I'm not responsible for it. All right, as you can see, the tool works perfectly. And this is the tool, and you can see we can approximately target 35 different platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Google, Microsoft, Netflix, blah blah blah, so many. um let's target Google, or let me target Facebook, for example. So I will respond with 01. Okay, what kind of fake page you want to be appear? A traditional login page, advanced voting poll login, fake security login page, Facebook Messenger login. So right now, let's make it simple. You can try multiples. I will go with 01. Select the service for port forwarding. Well, I will recommend you to go with 02, which is Cloudflare. You can also set it up on local expos, but this is something which is already available, so why we need to do it. Do you want to a custom port? No, I do not want a custom port. And there is some issues. um okay, there is no issue, sorry. It is launching. Do you want to mask the URL? You can mask the URL if you want, but right now let's make it simple. Reply with n. for no. And here we go, we have a different links. First one is this link. No, you can make sure you can secure this link further, you can mask it. There are different technologies, I do not want to go into that thing, the video will getting longer. But let me copy the first thing, and let's paste it here. Okay, after pasting it up, as you can see, a Facebook pop-up appears to me, as well as it got my IP address. But let's log in. And oh shit, not good, my emails are exposed. Mm, but it's okay. uh, you can't do anything, guys. Let's type contact at the rate masaudsec.com, and then let's try with the with the password. Let's try the password, for example, admin123. Okay, and let's hit enter. As you can see, when I hit enter, literally it redirected me to the login phase where it asked for a by the way, leave it. The thing is, we already got the auth username data. As you can see, the account login detail, which is contact at the rate masaudsec.com, and the password is admin123, which is the exact thing. Now in this way you can send the link to the target, and I'll be honest, it is going to work for you. Okay, if you guys have any question, make sure to ask me, make sure to subscribe the channel, make sure to comment up. And if you are facing any problems, you can literally contact me through social media. Okay, the best way is to contact me through my Facebook here. Okay, and one more thing, if you guys are interested to learn cybersecurity, if you want to prepare yourself for offsec, then I am offering penetration testing, ethical hacking, all those things. So you can literally contact with me. You can just click on WhatsApp icon here, it will be redirected you. Or if you want to find me on any other platform, then you can just contact me here, and it is going to